ഇവിടെ പറയുന്നത് അപ്പെക്സ് ലെവൽ സൊസൈറ്റിയെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള കൺഫ്യൂസിംഗ് ആയ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റിനും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറുമാണ്. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ കാണുന്ന എല്ലാവരും നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. പിന്നെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെല്ലാം സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ദിവസം ഇടുന്ന വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി കിട്ടുകയുള്ളൂ. Number 1. For using the service of Common Facility Center, the primary handloom society have to pay dash. Answer: service charge. Question number 2. The primary care society sell their product to dash. Answer: Coifed. The primary care society sell their product to Coifed. Question number 3. In Kerala, the first cooperative printing press is known as. Answer: Paraspara Sahayi Cooperative Printing Press. In Kerala, first cooperative printing press is known as Paraspara Sahayi Cooperative Printing Press. Question number 4. The showroom for Kerala State Handicraft Apex Cooperative Federation. Answer: Surabhi. The showroom of Kerala State Handicraft Apex Cooperative Federation. Answer: Surabhi. Question number 5. In dash years, SPCS started a national bookstall all over the Kerala. Answer: 1949. In 1949, the year SPCS started national bookstall all over the Kerala. Question number 6. Susman scheme related to. Answer: handloom societies. Susman scheme related to handloom societies. Question number 7. Dash is a kaya capital of country. Answer: Alappuzha. Dash is a kaya capital of country. Alappuzha. Question number 8. Dash is a showroom of Kerala Handicraft Development Corporation. Answer: Kairali. Question number 9. Minimum number of members required to form a farming society. Answer: 10. Minimum number of members required to form a farming society. Answer: 10. Question number 10. Who is an ex-officio chairman of Kerala SC/ST Federation? Answer: Minister of Cooperation. Who is the ex-officio chairman of Kerala SC/ST Federation? Answer: Minister of Cooperation. Question number 11. The name of award given by SPCS and the Cooperative Department jointly from 2010 for literature. Answer: Akshara Puraskaram. The name of award given by SPCS and the Cooperative Department jointly from 2010 for literature. Answer: Akshara Puraskaram. Question number 12. The Kerafed works in. Answer: single tier. Kerafed works in single tier. Question number 13. Dash is Asia's largest world second labor contract cooperative society. Answer: Uralunga Labor Contract Cooperative Society. Dash is Asia's largest world second labor contract cooperative society. Uralunga Labor Contract Cooperative Society. Question number 14. Common Facility Center related to dash societies. Answer: handloom societies. Common Facility Center related to handloom societies. Question number 15. Move up is a motto of dash. Answer: Ladakh. Move up is a motto of Ladakh. Question number 16. Dash societies comes under commercial type of societies under miscellaneous classification. Answer. Motor transport cooperatives. Motor transport cooperative societies comes under commercial types of societies under the miscellaneous classification. Question number 17. Handex has two weaving centers at. Answer. Trivandrum and Kannur. Handex has two weaving centers at Trivandrum and Kannur. Question number 18. Headquarters of Vanitha Fed is located at. Answer. Trivandrum. Headquarters of Vanitha Fed is located at Trivandrum. Question number 19. The famous social reformer who initiated for information of Uralanga Labour Contract Society. Answer. Vakfadananda. The famous social reformer who initiated for the formation of Uralanga Labour Contract Society. Answer. Vakfadananda. Question number 20. The accumulated thrift deposit will be utilized for dash. Answer. Purchase of shares to the members. The accumulated thrift deposit will be utilized for purchase of shares to members. Question number 21. COAFED means. Answer. Kerala State Cooperative Kaya Marketing Federation. Question number 22. Which is the official symbol of SPCS? Answer. Duck. Which is an official symbol of Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Society. Answer. Duck. Question number 23. The year in which SCST Fed registered in Kerala. Answer. 1981. The year in which SCST Fed registered in Kerala. Answer. 1981. Question number 24. Surabhi get financial assistance from. Answer. HUDCO. Surabhi get financial assistance from HUDCO. Question number 25. Cess fund utilized for government for giving. Answer. Rebate. Cess fund utilized by government for giving rebate. Question number 26. A student cooperatives are introduced. Answer. Poland. The student cooperatives are introduced in Poland. There. Question number 27. In Kerala, minimum wage for handloom workers are fixed in the year. Answer. 1974. In Kerala, minimum wage for handloom workers are fixed in the year. Answer. 1974. Question number 28. Kaya Fed started in the year. Answer. 1979. Kaya Fed started in the year 1979. Question number 29. Weavers together, nature and beauty is a motto of dash. Answer. COAFED. Weavers together, nature and beauty is a motto of COAFED. Question number 30. Which is the first book published by SPCS? Answer. Tagadiyuda Kathagal. Which is the first book published by SPCS? Answer. Tagadiyuda Kathagal. Question number 31. Who is the first secretary of SPCS? Answer Karur Neelakanta Pillai. Who is the first secretary of Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Societies? Answer Karur Neelakanta Pillai. Question number 32. Dash is the first medical college under cooperative sector in India. Answer Pariyayam Medical College. Dash is the first medical college under the cooperative sector in India. Answer Pariyayam Medical College. Question number 33. Dash is a scheme implemented by Matsya for cover the loss due to damages of fishing implementing. Answer Miss. Miss is a scheme implemented by Matsya for cover the loss due to damages of fishing implementing. Question number 34. The Kerala State Cooperative Federation for Fisheries Development Limited, known as. Answer Matsya. The Kerala State Cooperative Federation for Fisheries Development Limited is known as Matsya. Question number 35. Who is the father of cooperative hospital in Kerala? Answer N.K. Balakrishnan. Who is the father of cooperative hospital in Kerala? N.K. Balakrishnan. Question number 36. Weavers of God's own country is the motto of Dash. Answer Texfed. Weavers of God's own country is the motto of Texfed. Question number 37. Capex means. Answer Kerala State Cashew Workers Apex Industrial Cooperative Limited. Capex means Kerala State Cashew Workers Apex Industrial Cooperative Society Limited. Question number 38. AKG Cooperative Hospital is at Dash. Answer Kannur. AKG Cooperative Hospital is at Kannur. Question number 39. Dash is an apex federation of cooperative spinning mills and the powerloom weavers cooperative societies. Answer Texfed. Texfed is an apex federation of cooperative spinning mills and the powerloom weavers cooperative societies. Question number 14. Headquarters of Hospital Fed. Answer Ernakulam. Headquarters of Hospital Fed, Ernakulam. Question number 41. First cooperative hospital in Kerala started in the year. Thrissur District Cooperative Hospital ആണ് first cooperative hospital. Answer 1969. First cooperative hospital in Kerala started in the year 1969. Question number 42. Pariyayam Medical College established in. Answer 1993. Pariyayam Medical College established in the year 1993. Question number 43. Rajiv Gandhi Cooperative Hospital situated at. Answer Palakkad. Rajiv Gandhi Cooperative Hospital situated at Palakkad. Question number 44. Year in which Matsya Fed established. Answer 1984. The year in which Matsya Fed established. Answer 1984. Question number 45. Vanida bus related to Dash. Answer Matsya Fed. Vanida bus related to Matsya Fed. Question number 46. The fund created by government used for the development and promotions of handloom and khadi industry. Answer, SES fund. The fund created by government used for development and promotions of handloom and khadi industry. Answer, SES fund. Question number 47. Tanima project and Kritika project is related to dash. Answer, hand weave. Tanima project and Kritika project related to hand weave. Question number 48. Surya Bee started in the year. Answer, 1964. Surya Bee started in the year 1964. Question number 49. SES fund is created by government from. Answer, 1953. SES fund is created by government from 1953. Question number 50. The area operation of primary handloom societies. Answer, 50 to 200 looms area. The area operation of primary handloom societies 5 to 200 looms area. Question number 51. Minimum number of members required to form a handloom society. Answer, 25. Minimum number of members required to form a handloom society. Answer, 25. Question number 52. Dash is a subsidiary cardiac institution, Pariyaya Medical College. Answer, Saharna Haridalaya. Question number 53. Repco Rainbow is a product with the technological support of dash. Answer, Malaysia. Repco Rainbow is a product with the technological support of Malaysia. Question number 54. Saharna Haridalaya is a registered under. Answer, Travancore Cochin Literary, Scientific and Charitable Endorsement Act 1955. Saharna Haridalaya is registered under Travancore Cochin Literary, Scientific and Charitable Endorsement Act 1955. Question number 55. Kera Fed has two exporter oil extraction factory sector. Answer, Nadavannur and Karunagapalli. Question number 56. In Rightco pump set manufacturing factory set. Answer, Kanchikode. In Rightco pump set manufacturing factory set Kanchikode. Question number 57. Dash is a product of Repco. Answer, Nutrico. Dash is a product from Repco. Answer, Nutrico. Question number 58. The headquarters of Rubber Market. Answer, Ernakulam. The headquarters of Rubber Market, Ernakulam. Question number 59. Technology Upgradation Fund scheme related to dash. Answer, Cooperative Spinning Mills. Technology Upgradation Fund scheme related to cooperative spinning mills. Question number 60. Single Commodity Marketing Society. Answer, Rubber Market. Single Commodity Market Society. Answer, Rubber Market. Question number 61. Margin money assistance related to dash. Answer Kera Fund. Margin money assistance related to Kera Fund. Question number 62. The chairman of rubber market dash. Answer P.V. Sakaria. The chairman of rubber market P.V. Sakaria. Question number 63. Kera Fund is a dash society. Answer Agricultural Producers. Kera Fund is an agricultural producers society. Question number 64. Rubber mark stands for. Kerala State Cooperative Rubber Marketing Federation. Rubber mark stands for Kerala State Cooperative Rubber Marketing Federation. Question number 65. Golden years of God's own country related to dash. Answer Handicraft societies. Golden years of God's own country related to handicraft societies. Question number 66. Stain guard sheet is a product of. Answer Handex. Stain guard sheet is a product of Handex. Question number 67. The headquarters of rubber bodies at. Answer Kottayam. Headquarters of rubber bodies at Kottayam. Question number 68. Bharat Jaiva is a product of. Answer rubber mark. Bharat Jaiva is a product of rubber mark. Question number 69. Kera Fund stands for. Kerala Kera Karshaka Saharana Federation. Kera Fund stands for Kerala Kera Karshaka Saharana Federation. Question number 70. Block capital is related to dash societies. Answer Cooperative spinning mills. Block capital is related to cooperative spinning mills. Question number 71. The year in which Institute of Handloom and Textiles Technology started at Kannur. Answer 1987. The year in which Institute of Handloom and Textiles Technology started at Kannur. Answer 1987. Question number 72. Pariyayam Medical College is situated at. Answer Kannur. Pariyayam Medical College is situated at Kannur. Question number 73. Hospital Fund is registered in. Answer 1999. Hospital Fund registered in 1999. Question number 74. Capex is dash. Answer Industrial Processing. Capex is a industrial processing society. Question number 75. EMS Cooperative Hospital is at dash. Answer Perinthalmanna. EMS Cooperative Hospital is at Perinthalmanna. Question number 76. In Raidco curry powder unit at. Answer Mavilayil. In Raidco curry powder unit at Mavilayil. Question number 77. In Rightco pump set manufacturing factory set. Answer Kanchikode. In Rightco pump set manufacturing factory set Kanchikode. Question number 78. Rightco started in the year August 31st, 1972. Rightco started in the year August 31st, 1972. Question number 79. Rightco has food canning machinery set. Answer Kannur. Rightco has food canning machinery set Kannur. Question number 80. REPCO stands for Kerala State Rubber Cooperative Limited. REPCO stands for Kerala State Rubber Cooperative Limited. Question number 81. First sugar cooperative was dash in 1933. Answer Uttar Pradesh. First sugar cooperative was Uttar Pradesh in 1933. Question number 82. Direct to kitchen related to dash. Answer Kerafed. Direct to kitchen related to Kerafed. Question number 83. Rebik is a product of dash. Answer rubber mark. Rebik is a product of rubber mark. Question number 84. Kairi is also called. Answer green business. Kairi is also called green business. Question number 85. The year in which KCCF, Kerala Consumer Cooperative Federation was registered. Answer 4th September 1965. The year in which Kerala Consumer Cooperative Federation was registered. Answer 4th September 1965. Question number 86. The year in which Needi Medical Store was set up. Answer November 1st, 1998. Year in which Needi Medical Store was set up. Answer November 1st, 1998. Question number 87. Handloom Design Center situated at. Answer Balaramapuram. Handloom Design Center situated at Balaramapuram. Question number 88. The year in which Handex was registered. Answer 27th July 1961. The year in which Handex was registered. Answer 27th July 1961. Question number 89. The year in which Fact Finding Committee appointed. Answer 1940. The year in which Fact Finding Committee appointed 1940. Question number 90. Government granted interest-free loan to Needi Store up to rupees dash. Answer rupees 5,000. The government granted interest-free loan to Needi Store up to rupees 5,000. Question number 91. Which is the first fishery society in Kerala? Answer Puthanpalli Theresama Malsya Vyavasaya Cooperative Society. Question number 92. What kind of society at RIDCO? Answer, Federal Society. What kind of society is at RIDCO? Answer, Federal Society. Question number 93. State the number of managing committee members in hospital fund. Answer, 25. State number of managing committee members in hospital fund. Answer, 25. Question number 94. What is the expansion of RIDCO? Answer, Regional Agro-Industry Development Corporation. What is the expansion of RIDCO? Answer, Regional Agro-Industry Development Corporation. Question number 95. How many writers were the members in SPCS at the time of formation of SPCS? Answer, 12. How many writers were the members in SPCS at the time of formation of SPCS? Answer, 12 members. Question number 96. IFFCO Kisan Trust was published dash purpose. Answer, charitable purpose. IFFCO Kisan Trust was established charitable purpose. Question number 97. Purchase bonus related to. Answer, consumer societies. Purchase bonus related to consumer societies. Question number 98. Kriti Fest was organized by. Answer, Sahitya Pravartaka Cooperative Societies. Kriti Fest was organized SPCS. Question number 99. B class membership of students cooperatives is. Answer, students. B class membership of students cooperatives is students. Question number 100. Dash is a monthly publication of SPCS. Answer, NBS Bulletin. Dash is a monthly publication of SPCS. Answer, NBS Bulletin.